The dawn of November 25th, 2023, was not a typical one for the city of Kyiv. The skies, usually a canvas for the rising sun, turned into a battlefield, painting a grim picture of conflict and turmoil. Over 70 Iranian-designed Shahed kamikaze drones, courtesy of Russia, descended upon the city, marking the largest drone attack since the war began in February 2022. This act of aggression lasted for 6 relentless hours, leaving the city scarred and its people shaken. The drone attack, described by Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky as an act of willful terror, began in the early hours of Saturday. The targets were not immediately apparent, but the aftermath told a tale of widespread destruction. Nearly 200 buildings were left without power, 77 of them residential. The attack wasn't merely a show of force, but also an attempt to cripple Kyiv's energy system. Casualties weren't just bricks and mortar. Among the injured were 5 individuals, including an 11-year-old girl. These are the human faces of a conflict that has, for too long, been defined by strategic moves on a geopolitical chessboard. In the wake of this attack, Ukraine continues to stand firm, seeking extensive aid packages from the United States Congress and the European Union. They are also pushing for accession talks to join the European Union, a move that could potentially reshape the region's dynamics. Meanwhile, Russia continues to flex its military muscle. In a tit-for-tat move, it reported downing Ukrainian drones over Crimea and the Volgograd region. The significance of these actions, however, pales in comparison to the drone attack on Kyiv. To summarize, the drone attack on Kyiv on November 25th, 2023, marked a significant escalation in the ongoing conflict between Ukraine and Russia. The attack, which lasted 6 hours, resulted in widespread damage and power outages across the city, injuring 5 individuals. In response, Ukraine is seeking international aid and pushing for talks to join the European Union, while Russia continues its military operations. This event signifies a worrying uptick in the violence and complexity of the war, drawing attention to the urgent need for a diplomatic resolution. This is a story that continues to unfold, and as it does, we will keep you updated on the developments. Because understanding our world is the first step towards changing it.